2024 tax refunds. In this video, we are going to go over all things tax refund. So make sure you're watching till the very end, and welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. Now, changes that may affect your 2024 tax refund, things such as life events, such as purchasing a home, going to college, or losing a job. You may be eligible for certain tax benefits. So make sure you're consulting with your tax preparer and sharing this information to make sure you are receiving the maximum refund possible. Other circumstances such as getting married, getting a divorce, welcoming a child, or experiencing the death of a spouse or a dependent that you claim could also affect your tax benefit eligibility and your filing statuses. These changes could mean you qualify for tax credits like the child tax credit, the earned income tax credit, and the child and dependent care credit. For 2023, the child tax credit is $2,000 per qualifying child. A child must be under the age of 17 at the end of 2023 to be a qualifying child. Now, there is a pending proposal to increase the refundable child tax credit. It is currently pending in Congress at this moment. So you may want to wait to file your 2023 tax returns until January 29th. That is when Congress is expected to make a decision on that new child tax credit proposal. Now, for the earned income tax credit, eligible taxpayers with no qualifying children may be eligible to receive up to $600. For child and dependent care credit, taxpayers may receive up to 35% of your employment expenses. For all of the most recent updates, as well as all of the requirements for the child tax credit, the earned income tax credit, the child and dependent care credit, you can check out the child tax credit playlist. I will pin it in the comments as well as in the description box. You will have all of the information you need to know to claim these credits. All right, so make sure you check that out. Moving on, avoid refund delays and understanding refund timing. Many different factors can affect the timing of your 2024 tax refund. Now, although the IRS issues most refunds in less than 21 days, the IRS cautions you, the taxpayer, to do not rely on receiving your tax refund on a specific date, because there are many things that can affect whether you get your refund timely or not, such as identity theft. Some returns may require additional review and may take longer. Also, the IRS cannot issue any tax refund that includes the earned income tax credit or the additional child tax credit before mid-February if you claim any of those credits. Now, returns requiring manual review may also delay your tax refund. Some returns filed electronically or on paper may need manual review, delaying the process of your 2023 tax return. For things such as the system may detect a possible error, the return may be missing information, or it is suspected with identity theft or fraud. Some of these situations will require correspondence from you. If the IRS need additional information, they will contact you by mail. And remember, you can also log into your IRS online account and view your notices. Now, when to expect your refund? You can expect your refund up to 21 days if you e-file your return, 4 weeks or more for amended returns, as well as returns sent by mail, and longer if your return needs correction or manual review. Moving on to all of the ways you can get your 2024 tax refund, such as direct deposit. This is the fastest way to get your tax refund. Deposit it into your checking account, savings account, retirement account. You can also split your tax refund refund up into 3 different accounts. If you're getting your tax refund by paper check, the IRS will mail it to the address they have on file. So make sure your address is updated with the Internal Revenue Service. You can also get your tax refund on a prepaid debit card. Make sure to check with your bank or the card provider to see if your card will work for tax refunds, and make sure you have all of the account numbers correct. That is very important, as well as mobile payment apps. Some apps accept direct deposits. Make sure you check with them to see the maximum amount that you can receive so you are in line with their policies. You can also use your tax refund to purchase U.S. savings bonds. I did a previous video on that. I will also pin that in the comment section as well as in the description box as well. Now, solve a refund problem. If your refund isn't what you expected, the IRS may have corrected your tax returns. There may have been errors that changed the amount of your tax refund. Remember, you can check the status of your refund on the Where is My refund tool and the Where is My amended return tool for those amended tax returns. Your refund may have been also used to pay certain state or federal tax debt that you owe. That may reduce your refund. Your refund from a joint return was applied to your spouse's debt as well. That can also reduce your refund. And if your refund is missing or was destroyed, you can request a replacement check with the Internal Revenue Service. If you enter the wrong account number or routing number, you can call the IRS at 1-800-829-1040 to stop the deposit. If it's already deposited to your account, you must contact your bank to recover your refunds if there was an error with the account number or routing number. If you get a refund you're not entitled to, make sure you return it to the Internal Revenue Service as soon as possible to avoid any issues. In terms of phone help, Where is My refund has the latest information on your 2023 tax returns or your delayed tax returns. But if you do need to contact the IRS to check your refund status, you can call the refund hotline at 1-800-829-1954. And for current year refunds, you can also call 866-464-2050 for amended tax returns to check the status of your amended tax returns. Don't forget to check the playlist, the child tax credit playlist, in the description box as well as in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe to keep updated with all of the 2024 tax refund updates and changes. And I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.